Okay, I think that's my cab. 551. Yeah. Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So friends, right now I'm in Pune, that is in Maharashtra. And friends, since this last 2 days I'm here, staying here, and I came to this hotel to stay here. And actually the purpose of coming here is like I had to attend 2 days of Zumba instructors training. So this my last day is still not yet completed. I'm going to complete it today. But friends, as you all know that like I go out for blogging on the Sundays, and so today is the Sunday and I was supposed to go for blogging today. But friends, like literally many things happen after coming here, due to which like I was not able to shoot or blog. Okay. And like I face a lot of problems, so due to which I never felt comfortable to blog. And I'm like I've almost ended these 2 days without any blog. So friends, if you're really interested to listen to me, like what had happened to me in these last 2 days, then just hang on for the next 3 minutes. I'm going to tell you whatever had happened with me. Alright friends. So I'll go to a place now where I can have some food and all. And after that, wherever I get time to sit, I will just sit and talk with you, and I will tell you whatever had happened to me and why I didn't blog and what are the difficulties I faced while blogging and coming to the city. I'll tell each and everything. So just hang on for the next 3 minutes. Okay, friends. Actually, I was supposed to go for breakfast now, but now I had changed my plan all of a sudden not to have breakfast. Instead, directly go to the training area where my training sessions are going on, because I might get late. So I have booked a cab. So once I get inside the cab, I'll just tell you my story, what had happened in this last 2 days here in Pune. Okay, just hang on. Let me get inside the cab. Okay, I think that's my cab. 551. Yeah.
The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a ride, Savannah.
Alright friends, so right now I'm inside the cab. So let me narrate the story to you now. So yesterday morning 5:30 I reached here in the city, and after that I got down from the bus in the location that is known as Swargate. And after that, like my destination from there was around 10 to 12 kilometers. But what actually happened, like I didn't know these places properly. So I, instead of booking an cab online, I hired a taxi, which I got there itself. And that was actually my mistake, which I can say, because when I took that taxi, and after that, like that taxi driver, he was taking me rounds and rounds and rounds. Like if the distance was just of 2 kilometers, he was just taking me round of 5 to 6 kilometers. It was happening. So I was just in the taxi for so many kilometers. I was just roaming around here and there. Okay. And the thing is, like, even he didn't know the location properly, even though Google was there, but still, like, he was not able to. And I don't know, even after not knowing why even he was driving the taxi. Okay. And after that, when I reached there were no hotels over there. So that was the first problem which I faced. And when I didn't get any hotels over there, then he told me like there's one more location where I can get you any hotel over there. So I told okay. Then again he told me, and then he took me over that place. And when I reached there, again the hotels were like all occupied. There were no empty rooms for me. So again from that place, he brought me back to that same location from where exactly we started the journey, and let us forget. So means like I paid double to him, which was not actually needed for me to pay. But I don't know why he have done with me like that. And after that, when I reached back to that place, and then he told me like, yes, I'll get a hotel over there to stay overnight. And then even after coming to that place, I didn't get any hotels, and whichever hotels he like showed me, they were so costly. And to be very honest, why to spend thousands and thousands of rupees just for one night? And then I told him, okay, you get me one another hotel. Then he told me, sorry, I can't get you any other hotels because I don't know much about this place. Then I was surprised because he was the person who was taking me rounds and rounds around the city, and then he told me like, yes, I'll get you one good hotel in a good price. But at the end moment, he told me that now I don't know anything from here. Then he told me, okay, you get another taxi driver, I will take you to him. And after I got to the next taxi driver, what happened, he told me, I'll get you a hotel which will be cheap, which will be according to your price you want, but whatever the money will be left, okay, that you will have to give it to me. Then I said, why? Then he said, because I'll give you a hotel in cheap price. Then I said, okay, fine. Then I also played it, okay, let's get to the hotel first, then I will think. Then I went to him. Then I got a hotel of my budget, okay. And after that, he was again telling me, again and again he was telling me, see, I have saved 600 to 700 rupees of yours, so now you pay that money. Then I thought, we have not even like came 3 kilometers from that place where the first taxi driver stopped, and he was charging me 600 to 700 rupees just for that 1 or 2 kilometers. Then I thought, what is this? Then I said, no, sorry, I can't pay you this. But still I had paid like 150 or 200 rupees. But even that money, you can call it nonsense. That was nonsense amount of money which I've given him, because I should have paid him only just 30 to 40 rupees, but instead I still had paid around 200 rupees. So these things were happening, and after that I got to the hotel around 7 o'clock. So see, since morning 5:30 I was in the auto, I was in the cab like for almost 2.5 hours. And after that I got inside my room 7 o'clock, and then from morning 10 I had my training sessions, and I got so tired. Even I reached late my training session in the very first day itself, so I was not feeling well. And after completing the training session of the first day, I thought like to go out for vlogging in the evening, but again, like my body was actually not ready to go out for vlogging. So I'm literally very sorry to all of you, like I couldn't show you people a new place when actually I am traveling in a new place. So I'm literally sorry for that. But yeah, on the next coming Sunday, I'll really go to a new place, and I'll explore a new place, and also with that you will get to see a new place, and I assure you that. So these kind of things were happening with me, and so I was not actually ready to go out for vlogging. So that is the main reason why I didn't vlog a new place, or why I couldn't explore a new place here out here in this Pune city. And now I'm going for the last day of my session. So once I complete this session today, I'll be going back to my city, that is Kolhapur. So that's why I say, friends, like why I tell you every time Kolhapur is really beautiful. The people over here are so helpful. They like, this is the main reason, because whenever you go out to Kolhapur, like people are really kind, they're really helpful, and like you can explore to any place in any vehicle. Okay, there will be no such problems which you'll face in this kind of cities. So you'll never face any problems out there in Kolhapur. So you will get vehicles at any time. They will not cost you cost you much. Okay, it will be a good reasonable price, and after all, the food over there is very good and it's very tasty. So everything over there in Kolhapur is very, very, very nice. So friends, even this was a great experience for me out here in a new city alone, okay, thinking out to vlog. But my first vlog, which I was supposed to do in a new city alone, it couldn't happen, but it's okay. At least I got to learn something, and at least I know something how to get prepared for the next time whenever I go out to a next place for a new vlog, for a new explore. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you all might have got to know something from my story. Okay, so people, whoever are watching this video, if you are also thinking to vlog somewhere, like to go out, then you also should be prepared regarding like where you're going to stay in the new place, and after that like what are the transport facilities over there in the new place. So you need to know each and everything, okay, before you go to the new place. So that's all I would like to suggest you if you're planning to do this kind of. All right, so I hope you all enjoyed my video. If you have enjoyed really, then do hit one like and also subscribe my channel if you're new. All right, till then, bye bye, have a good day.